Here at Measham Dental, we're looking forward to reopening and serving our patients once again. We've created this short video to explain the steps we're putting into place to keep you and our staff safe. Your health and peace of mind has always been our highest priority, and that is even more so now. This video is only 5 minutes long. Please watch it to the end so you know what to expect from Measham Dental on your return to our practice. Every day, we will check our staff's temperatures and general well-being. We will all answer the 3 key COVID-19 symptom questions, and all the results will be logged in our record book. So you can be reassured we are taking our staff's health and well-being very seriously to protect them and give you peace of mind. Before booking your appointment, we will conduct a short consultation via phone or video to assess the time that is required for your appointment. We will call you and ask you about your health to ensure that you are well enough to come in for your appointment. You'll be asked the same 3 key COVID-19 symptom questions as our staff. If you have the COVID symptoms, don't worry, we can reschedule for when you're feeling better. We will take all payments over the phone to minimise contact, and where this is not possible, you can pay by card at the practice. We'll ask you to fill in a brief medical history form. This will be emailed out to you and shouldn't take more than a couple of minutes to fill in. If you don't have access to an email, you can complete the form over the phone. But if you do this, you will then need to sign the form on the day of your appointment to confirm your own medical history. Please don't wear any jewellery, such as necklaces, bracelets or watches. Take rings off where possible, as it is known that the virus stays viable on metal surfaces for up to 48 hours. Bring a fully charged mobile phone on the day of your appointment. Arrive at the practice car park 5 minutes before your appointment and ring the practice to say that you have arrived. Please don't arrive early into the premises. We're only allowing 1 patient at a time into the practice, so we will call you when it's your time to come in. You must come into the premises alone. Vulnerable adults or children are allowed 1 chaperone. Enter via the door on the high street. We have a strict one-way system, in through the high street and out through the rear car park exit. It's also more important than ever that you give your teeth a thorough clean before you arrive. As you walk in, you'll be asked to rub your shoes on the disinfectant floor mat and put the shoe covers on provided. Please use the touchless hand sanitizer. We will quickly check your temperature with a contactless thermometer to make sure your temperature is under 37.5 degrees. You will then be escorted through to surgery. We will ask you to leave your belongings outside the room in a box with a closed lid. This is to prevent any aerosols from the surgery getting on your belongings. So we will all look a little different. Many of you have seen the doctors and nurses in the full PPE outfits, and we will be no different, both for your safety and the safety of our staff. Don't worry, even though we look a little different, we're the same friendly faces who care greatly for your health and well-being as we were before. Prior to COVID-19, we were already using the highest levels of cross-contamination barriers on our equipment, and this hasn't changed. For any aerosol generating procedures, we'll put an additional apron on you, as well as a bib and protective goggles. We will use a high volume suction, and rubber dam will be used in these instances, unless the rubber dam is not possible. You will sign your treatment plan in surgery to minimise contamination. We will then take the apron and bib from you and dispose of these items in our clinical waste unit. You will also be asked to sanitise your hands before leaving the surgery. Finally, don't forget to collect your personal items from the box outside the surgery. Place your shoe covers in the box and leave by the rear car park exit. After you leave, we will thoroughly clean the surgery and the belongings box before the next patient arrives. We will also contact you 5 days afterwards to check that you are COVID symptom free. We appreciate your help in complying with these new health and safety guidelines. We want to keep you and our staff as safe as possible during this time. We'll keep you updated on any developments and changes to these plans, but until then, we do look forward to seeing all our patients again to deliver our friendly and affordable dentistry that puts your well-being first.